Hello Scorpio, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 5th October to 11th October. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also could check the Sun, Moon and Venus rising, so messages could resonate in those videos. Messages could resonate. Just wanted to share that Saturn has gone direct from 29 September, so hopefully things which you had worked before should have started gaining momentum by now. So let's see, Scorpio, what it is that you have in this week. Okay, so 5 of Swords, the Strength. I think some others also had this. This is again 7 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, great, 7 of Wands and 5 of Cups. So here it seems that there is with the 5 of Swords energy, it's like there could be some arguments in office, in your workplace. Somebody could make the situation a little stressful, or you could have that, but it is like somebody who's trying to disturb the peace, or peace of mind. You will be a little stressed. There could be competitive vibes, there could be like office politics playing around. So after that you get this Strength card. So you will be dealing with this very nicely, very diplomatically, with tact. You will not be disturbed, and if at all, this is again, you take it as a guidance. Do not get disturbed by this. Just you have to have your own control over your emotions. You have to overcome any kind of fears and be kind and compassionate. So you will see that this situation will resolve by itself. You don't have to do anything for this year. So just maintain your balance, that is what, and be strong mind, not being a part of this, and even if it comes to you, you'll just be diplomatic. That is what this will itself pass on the issues, solve the issue. So mental strength is what you need here. Also with the Strength card, you might need to make a presentation or speaking in public or somewhere to show your skills, where people are gonna not notice you, like you have a skill, maybe at some interview or at some place, you will need to show your skills. That is what I get here, your talent. So this is it. So, and you will do it successfully. Then we have this 7 of Cups here. 7 of Cups, options. You will be maybe trying to look for jobs online. You will be looking at better opportunities. For business person, they will want to look at new shores where they can expand their business, for collaboration. Where could they, it is like looking for options, looking for opportunities. Right now you are looking. It doesn't show acting on this, but you are looking at the job market, you are looking at the business market. So it's like looking for options here. Some of you, it's also like some of you might be making some expensive purchases here, for which you will be maybe a car or expensive piece of jewelry or something, but you are trying to look for options here. So there is a little expense here, so be careful here. Then you have this Wheel of Fortune. What a great card. So if Wheel of Fortune is like things turning in your favor finally, if you have worked hard, you have centered your energy for the right things, so Wheel of Fortune, if you have worked hard and you have centered yourself, using your energies right, you will see Wheel of things turning in your favor now. You will see success, you will see happiness, you will see growth, whatever things moving forward now. That if you were stuck in a situation, things will start moving forward now with this Wheel of Fortune here. Definitely some of you also could travel. That is what, it could be national, international travel, but it is work related, business related travel here. Then you have 7 of Wands. So again, what I feel, this is like defending your position at the top. So again, this speaks about maybe again a little bit of someone is trying to someone is trying to pull you into a situation, a kind of an office politics here. That is what I feel, in a kind of office politics. So you will need to defend your position. Maybe your boss might ask you to, meet a certain target, or maybe it could be an unrealistic target also, which it's not that easy to get. So you might be pulled across some unreasonable demands also at work, lot of work for you, something which is a little difficult in terms. So it shows that you will be defending that, you will stay strong, you will work hard, you will not give up, and you will do this successfully. It could be delayed a little, that is what because there are few minor obstacles here, but you will come out the winner. This is like 7, the conflicting situation you are gonna stand. And also some of you might just put across your point of view. You will put across why your point of view, and the other party will have to listen to it, and this is what I get here. So some of you will have to defend your position at work and business. That is what I get here. Then you have 5 of Cups here. For some of you Scorpio, you have been you feel that you have been left out in your work atmosphere. You deserved a promotion, but someone else got it. You deserved a hike, but someone else got it. You did a business so well, but it did not give you that returns that it should have given. So there is like you are feeling a little, you are in a pain, little bit of feeling left out, cold. That is what I get here. You have been ignored at your office by your superiors, someone else getting the favor, or you doing the work and someone else getting the credit. So this is what I get here, Scorpio, for some of you here. Definitely. Yeah, so this is what I get here, Scorpio, that definitely things are changing for the better for you here. But there could be certain situations in your office or works where you need the complete strength, mental strength, that you need to work on it. Now for the lucky color, lucky number for this week is number 8 here for you, and the lucky color is the maroon color. Like you can go earthy browns or maroon. So I'll just pull out an angel guidance, Scorpio, for you here. It seems like you will be working hard. There's a card for travel. Monetary, what has been coming will keep coming. There is no pentacle card here. So whatever you have been working, it's like will be happening to you. You will be working on new projects, but it is just that it's not on the go. You will be doing it, launching it slowly, and slowly you are just looking at certain options here. So the angel guidance, choices, make the right choices. So you have this card, you need to make the right choices, and that will get you success, that will get you happiness. This is what I get for Scorpio. So thank you. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you. Stay blessed.